Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how we can save Google Sheets as Excel file or Excel format in Android mobile phone. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets and we're going to save this Google Sheets as Excel file or Excel format. And as you can see that this file is in Google Sheets file shown by this symbol. So this is the Google Sheets file and this is the Excel file, and we're going to save this file as Excel. So we have to click on this three dots button, guys, and there will be several options for us, and you have to choose save as Excel. All right, and hold on. All right, guys, and now I'm sorry. We can go back to the previous menu, and okay, and now the file has been saved as Excel file, and that's how we can convert Google Sheets file to Excel file format. And I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.